Welcome back to Hurricane Insight. As always, my name is Zaki and I provide around the clock coverage of weather events happening in the North American region and the Eastern Pacific. Today we have tropical storm Barbara, tropical depression 1E, and an area of interest in the Eastern Pacific. So let's dive right into it. As you can see on our infrared model, this is tropical storm Barbara. It has been well organized since yesterday on our update and is forecast to become a hurricane now. And this is Tropical Depression 1E, which formed earlier this morning. It still isn't quite organized like Parvis to get the name Cosme. And this behind it, it has a 40% transformation and becoming Delilah. But it's in a favorable environment to become Delilah, so we do expect it to become Delilah in the week coming. So to our National Hurricane Center outlook, starting it off with the area of interest. As of 11 a.m. PDT, Sunday, June 8th, 2025, an area of low pressure is forecast to develop later this week south of southern Mexico. Environmental conditions appear conducive for some gradual development of the system, and tropical depression could form late this week or over the weekend. Formation down to 48 hours, low, near 0%, and formation down to 7 days, medium, 50%. We are tropical storm Barbara, with maximum sustained winds of 60 miles per hour, with a minimum central pressure of 996 millibars, moving to west northwest at 12 miles per hour. Tropical depression 3E, as of the 8 a.m. advisory, 1. 35 miles per hour, with a pressure of 1001 millibars, moving northwest at 8 miles per hour. So look at the cone of tropical depression 1E. It's forecast to become a tropical storm late tonight or early Monday, and it's expected to just stay a tropical storm and a weaken into a tropical depression by Wednesday. Going out to sea, no impacts from Mexico or any other areas around it. For Barbara, it's expected to become a hurricane either later tonight or early Monday, and maintain hurricane strength into late Monday, early Tuesday. Then it becomes a tropical storm. Then these little islands, it goes to the little islands right here, and becomes a tropical depression. So no impacts except for this little tiny island, which may feel tropical storm or hurricane force winds, but other than that, no impacts to any coastal regions. So to our weather nodes low model. So this is Barbara, this tropical depression 1E. The lows behind it would be the area of interest with a 40% chance, with 50% chance, excuse me. So as we see on Sunday, there are a bunch of lows, meaning something has formed. The GFS and the Euro model both have this forming into Delilah, which means the Eastern Pacific will have a four-name head start over the Atlantic, which is not usually common because when the Eastern Pacific is active, the Atlantic is not. And currently, the Atlantic is covered in Saharan layer dust coming off of Africa. Our GFS model. This is Barbara 1E, and what we're gonna watch behind it. Like I said in the last video, GFS has to do with the Fujiwara effect, where one of them gets absorbed into the other and becomes one storm. This is by Thursday, and so we're gonna watch late Saturday, Sunday. By Sunday we have a storm, Delilah. That's Monday, June 16th. That's next week. And also we see something in the Atlantic trying to spin up, but only the GFS has it forming and no other models because GFS like to go on these ones where it just spins up anything in sight. So this is possibly the Leyland. This is possibly Alvin for the North Atlantic. We go to our ocean analysis. Sorry. We have warm water temperatures in the Eastern Pacific. The fuel development and development is likely for the system behind it. And Barbara is expected to strengthen because it's in warmer water, 31 degrees Celsius. And it's going to stay there relatively for the rest of the week. But 1E is in cooler water, but not too cool, 29, 30 degrees Celsius. but it's going to drift off into this patch and right here where Alvin went. So that's going to do it all for today. Stay safe, stay informed, and don't believe all that about weather. Deuces.